G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Drinks Tips video. Drinks Tips is a video collaboration done between a handful of foodie YouTubers where we give you the tips to make fantastic and amazing drinks. Before we get on with the video, I'd like to invite you to go and check out my colleagues' channels who will also be participating in Drinks Tips for this month. You've got Chef Adventures, Just Ate, Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff, Lagom Eats, Trap Bistro TV, Johnny Mags, and Robbie P2 VLOGS. Make sure you check out their channels for some great video tips. If this is your first time on the channel, I'm Chef Blake. Before we get started with the video, I just need to grab something from the fridge.
Oh! Hey Blake!
Look who we have here.
Cold in there.
Ryan.
How are ya?
Very good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm very excited to be part of this month's Drinks Tips.
Introduce yourself to the great people.
Hey guys, so I'm Ryan. I've worked in the hospitality industry for about 8 years, and I'm also a mild alcoholic, maybe mild to medium in some circumstances, but I make really good drinks, and I'm here tonight to show you how to make really good drinks as well.
This guy absolutely knows his stuff, and he's going to show you a really cracking recipe for...
Well, what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to show you guys some really cool tips on how to shake a cocktail correctly. What we're going to do is we're going to make a Cosmopolitan, which is actually my favorite cocktail in the entire world.
Well, Ryan, it sounds like you know what you're doing, so I guess I'll just leave you to it.
So now that the chef's gone, the front of house staff can actually have a good time and do what they do best. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a Cosmopolitan cocktail. Now, if you haven't had a Cosmo before, you obviously haven't watched Sex and the City. It is so delicious, so simple, and so easy to make, but you need the proper technique to do it. So that's what I'm here to show you how to do today. These are the things that you're going to need. A Boston shaker. So you've got your metal cup and your Boston glass, which inserts into that, hits together, and you've got a seal. Vodka, Cointreau, a little bit of cranberry juice, and what cocktail would be complete without a trusty lime? So guys, what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you how to construct your Cosmopolitan. So first what you're going to do is pour 30 ml of your vodka into the shaker. Now we always pour our ingredients into the Boston glass so that the customer or yourself or whoever you're making it for can see the cocktail being made. And it's very important to measure what you're doing because measuring is the difference between good cocktail making and bad cocktail making. So what we're going to do then is put 30 ml of Cointreau in, and then we're going to take our cranberry juice and put 30 ml of that in as well. Juice of a whole lime. You may not know this, but rolling your lime against the bench actually breaks up the fruit and causes more of the juice to come out when you squeeze it. So just put your hands on it and just give it a good roll. Then we're gonna slice that bad boy in half. See the juice squirting out? And then whole lime. And we're ready to shake. What you want to do is really load it up with ice, as much ice as you can possibly fit into it, because what that's going to do is chill the drink down faster, so you're actually going to get less dilution than if you only put 2 ice cubes in. So we've got our ice in there. Take the other side of the shaker, hit it on, light tap, turn it over, 2 fingers above, 2 fingers below, and shake it towards yourself. If there's any chance that the cocktail shaker is going to come apart, we want it to shake onto ourselves. We never want to spill the drink onto the customer, we spill it onto ourselves. So give it a good shake for 10-15 seconds. What we've just done is mix and chill the drink at the same time and in an elegant fashion that makes us look pretty cool. All you need to do is pick it up, open palm, easy. Then we'll take our Hawthorn strainer take our glass, and a Cosmopolitan should never be served in any glass other than a martini glass. I like to garnish my Cosmos with a lime wheel. You'll see on your Hawthorn strainer that you've got this little bump that your index finger goes against. So all we do is put that in, push against it, and pour, and that creates a seal. So that's it, guys. You've made your Cosmopolitan. I saw something burning. Oh, Blake, what were you doing in there?
Oh, it's just
Baking myself.
I've got the perfect thing to cool you down. Why don't you try this Cosmopolitan that I just made?
Yeah, I mean, it's all right, but did you try my margarita I made on last month's Drinks Tips episode?
I did see the margarita that you made, Blake, and I can make a much better margarita than you. You're not even ready for what I'm about to do. As much tequila as your heart desires. And then a little bit of Cointreau, coriander and chili, simple syrup. Bit of lemon.
Catch them seeds, bitch.
Lots of ice. And then we blend and snap. Pop her open. Then you're gonna take your Corona. Let's give her a try, shall we? That's the best drink I've ever made. That's all I need for tonight, bitches. I'm out.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How to make a classic Cosmo and a little surprise at the end. Thank you very much for watching this month's Drinks Tips collaboration, and I'll see you next week.